Ladies, I want to share something with complete sincerity and peace of mind. For a time, I felt that my mornings were always rushed, and I felt overwhelmed. My routine wasn't good. That's when my husband mentioned a video showing a basic morning habit based on gelatin that many women were discreetly incorporating into their routines. That was my first contact with the gelatin trick recipe. Just a few common ingredients, a short preparation, and no pressure to follow strict rules. Over time, it became easier to stay consistent, and that consistency alone made my mornings feel more organized and comfortable. As I looked deeper, I realized that many versions online were incomplete or rushed. The explanation that actually made sense focused on simple details like preparation and timing. That's what people refer to as the gelatin trick, not because it's complex, but because those small details are what make it fit naturally into a daily routine. You might also see this routine described as the gelatin trick diet, but that name can be misleading. There's no restriction involved and no need to change everything at once. It's simply a small habit that blends into real life without pressure, which is why so many people continue to talk about it quietly. I saved the clip where I first learned about this routine because it explains everything clearly and without exaggeration. It shows how people actually prepare it and why it has stayed relevant while so many other trends disappear. If you're curious to watch it yourself, the video is still available through the link below or in the first pinned comment. It's practical and easy to follow.